Before they sink it here, it was like staying here for about 7 or 8 years. Only just you know on the sea, because the engine room was on fire. Yeah, and then they couldn't repair it, and it stays for several years on the sea.
بس انه عمره 30 متر السطح الباخره من 12 ل 20.
Okay, from the shipwreck surface is from here 12 meter, but down to the bottom is like 30 meter.
What's the name of it?
Because it's not the same level, it's like this, you know.
What's the name of it?
The name Cedar Bride.
سردين.
This is a sardine fish.
Ouais. Là, il y a du.
Sardine.
Ouais.
Et tu peux prendre là-bas.
As you can see, it's more clear now, not like also
Yes.
إذا حابب تزيد عليهم شيء بقول إنه هاي فيها جوا غرفة مليانة هواء.
As you can see that there is some bubbles also comes from the ship. This is you know the divers when they are going, there's one room, it's full of oxygen, and there is like a small hole that comes, you know, the oxygen out